Free time is a wonderful time because you can do what you want. Unfortunately, life is so busy these days that we have so little free time. However, we try to do our best to spend free time as efficiently as possible. Adults mostly have no problem choosing what to do in their free time. But what about children? Honestly speaking, most children have no idea what to do with their free time. They simply spend it sitting in front of a TV or computer or mobile phone screen. When that happens, parents try to help them and encourage them to join a club. These clubs can offer a wide range of after-school activities. Tom and Anne are at their school now. They are tired of sitting at home and doing nothing, so they've gone to a meeting to choose a club to join. While they are thinking about which club to start with, let's learn some useful words and phrases. Activities. Hang out with friends. Go out for a walk. Take photos. Go windsurfing. Likes and dislikes. Be good at. Be mad about. Adjectives. Brilliant. Wonderful. Dull. Tiring. Awful. What about our friends? What are they doing? Anne and Tom are very busy now, as they are walking from one club representative to another, talking to them about activities their clubs offer to decide which club to join. Look, Tom is talking to a representative of the art club. At this club, students can learn how to draw and paint. Tom doesn't look happy because he isn't fond of drawing. Anne is talking to a representative of the photography club. She's mad about taking photos. It looks as though she will join this club, where she can print her photos and meet people who have the same interests as she does. Tom is talking to someone from the sports club. He looks very enthusiastic. Tom is very good at playing games like football, basketball, and volleyball, and with the sports club, Tom can join any team he likes. Besides that, with this club, Tom can try new sports, like cycling and windsurfing. At the moment, Anne is busy with a representative of the drama club. He is telling Anne that they write and present their own plays. They also go to the theatre a lot. Tom is sitting in front of a computer. A representative of the computer club is showing him something. Tom is not only interested in sport, he is also keen on computers and computer games, so the computer club really does fit his interests. He can learn new programs and play the best computer games there. Now Anne and Tom are on their way home. They are telling each other about the clubs they've joined. They look happy. What about you? Are you ready to join a club so you don't waste your free time?